is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about the 3 date functions: EMONTH, day, month, year. In this video I am going to cover about these functions. EMONTH. This EMONTH returns the last day of the particular month which is given in that specified date. Okay, for that I have declared a date variable like date name equal to get date. Here I have given select EMONTH of that particular date. Means get date means it will get today's date. So in this October month, this is the October month. So this October month end of the day is 31st 10. This is the end of that particular date we will get. This is how this EMONTH will retrieve the last day of that particular month. Okay, and the other things is in this particular date month, select EMONTH date. This is this month. If you want to add a particular month to that particular date, it will do. We can give like other argument as 1 or -1. See, this is how it will be looking like. EMONTH of this date is this month's dates, like a EMONTH of that particular month. Here I have given as plus 1 to next month. It will add to the date of it will add 1 to the month of that particular month. Month means it is 10th. Here we'll get as 11th. Here it is -1, so it has -1 month, 1 month from that month number. So it will retrieve the date from that particular month and it will subtracts the month of that particular date. This is how this EMONTH it actually gives the last month of that last date of that particular month. Okay, end of the day of the particular month. For this is the first one is this month, and this argument, next argument is it adds the 1 to that particular month part and it will give that last day of that particular next month. And this is the last month. It subtracts the 1 from that month number and it will give the last month of the previous month. So this is how it calculates the end of the month. This is how this end of the month function works. And the other functions are day. If we give a specific date to that particular date as an argument, it gives us as a day of that particular month. So see, this is a select day of that. I have given some date, so we will get the day. So this is the day. Today is this is like 12th is the date, so this is the day of that particular date which we have given, like year, month, day. So it has calculated like 12th is the day. If we give day as a like date as a 0, actually it calculates the default value and it returns a SQL returns as C1. Actually this 0 it will indicates like a default expression, like it will give 1900 January 1st as a if we pass a 0 as an argument. So this is how this day function works, means it retrieves the particular day of that particular date value. See, this is like in this month as the same as the month function also, it will gives as a month number. So this is a month number. So here in this second one it has given as a 0 argument we have passed. So it is by default it will SQL interprets as a January 1st 1900. So this is, so it has written month as a January month, so it has written 1. And the same thing is here. If we pass in the year function is also the same thing, it will retrieve the year. So this is how, see here I have passed year as 0, so it has SQL interprets as a default value January 1 1900, so year will be the 1900. This is how these 3 functions, day, month, year functions are executed. See, if the same thing I have passed here, select year, month and day, and I have passed the arguments as 0, so it has given 1900 is a year, January month and first day. This is how all these functions are working here, like whichever we want from that particular date function, date value we are retrieving the whichever we want, day or month or year. This is how we will calculate it. We will retrieve the data from these functions. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Please subscribe my Patreon channel. Thank you for listening.